You may recognize the world before you, and recognize that it is not one that you know. To those who dwell here, this world is shelter. It is safety. It is home. This is the night. I would like to tell you that our friend here will be alright, and they'll escape what it is they run from. I would like to tell you there is nothing at all. Because this is a story where there are now other forces at work. Other things that threaten and harm. I wish that it could have gone differently, and that this could have been a different story. So I would like to tell you that the night will survive, that those within it are all okay, that they'll know what to do, and that they'll make it through unscathed. But I can't, and neither can they.
He said they'd be here by now. I don't know what to tell you. Well, it doesn't mean you have to worry about time. Maybe they've done everywhere else. Willow! Oh, fucking hell! Hello, Riley! Fucking hell, hello.
So, any changes? It's the same stars, same moon, same sky. You've been staring at it for a while. I'm starting to wonder if you do anything else. Oh, I like it. Brings me peace and comfort, and you're gonna need that for when you share your songs later. I'm not sharing any songs. Really? I thought you were on the set list for tonight.
Oh, don't do that to me!
Sorry. I just, I want to hear what you have to share. Well, I don't really have anything to share. You mean the guitar practicing I've seen you doing off in quiet corners is nothing, then? Jump scares and now surveillance. Are you trying to destroy me? I mean it, though. I want to hear what you've got. If it's important to you, it's important to me. Okay, maybe some other time. If the canopy was quieter? Maybe. Uh-oh. Wasn't it supposed to be a different band slot by now anyway? Do you know who it is? Yeah. Kinda wonder what's going on. It's the same two people. You've been staring at them for a while. Starting to wonder if you do anything else. Oh, should have said that. Max! Riley! Hey!
Ooh, hello.
Did you just get here? No, I've been here a while. Must have just missed you. Didn't know if you'd be along. Thought I'd give it another try. Well, I'm glad you did. Oh, I've been looking forward to this for a while. The vibe is immaculate. The people are here. There's music. We're alive, mate. That said, there's something up with the music and... Oh no. What? Oh no, Max. What? Are you okay? Coming this way. Hey, guys. Hi. I believe this is yours. Oh, really? Cool. What is it? Oh, yes, mate. Fist bump. Yay! Smooth as ever.
Ah, always. I am a fish through water, and the fish is shaped like a brick.
Ooh, metaphors. What's the water in this one?
Riley, mate, Ash is washing my metaphor away. Please help me.
The water?
The water is us. Because we are refreshing. We bring life to this place, and through us, sound travels well.
Sounds such as?
Such as the sound of this metaphor crashing over the waterfall of itself. Sorry, mate, I tried. A beautiful attempt to rescue his metaphor from the ocean depths. Oh, I am rescued. I am floating atop a wave of calm, and I have been blessed this eve. Also, speaking of sound, isn't there supposed to be music? Hey! I'll catch you lot in a bit. One more for the road. Bye.
Oh, you've encouraged him now. That fist bump's become a thing.
Ah, you know what they say. Fist bump's better than a water-based metaphor.
Oh, I didn't know people said that.
They don't, but now they do. I am the they that does. They can't speak.
Hey, I'm gonna go get some... Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. See you in a bit, Mags.
It's good to see Mags again. Oh, before I forget to mention, Dandelion has been wanting to get some people together for a fire. He's too shy to arrange it himself, and it's been too long. I've missed it. I think it should happen.
Yes! Instant yes!
You'd be welcome to bring any friends along. Mags and our stargazing friend included.
Stargazing. Flipping.
Alright. Sorry about the wait. We had some no-shows, so we've got a bit of a lineup change. I'm going to put a general call out. If there's anyone who has anything that they would like to perform, give us a wave. Nobody. Wow, okay. Right. I guess we're just going to have to end early this time. Oh, what are you all hawing at? Hit 'em. 1, 2, frame. This is who I am. This is who I always was.